Hey guys, so I wanted to take you guys through the process of making my vision board. I've gone a step ahead with the help of AI. I'm trying to optimize things that I can possibly do to achieve my goals. So I thought I should take you guys along. So what I am doing. So the first thing I did was I've taken a picture of my vision board, and right after that I've uploaded it on ChatGPT and I've written about, hey GPT, based on the image I have uploaded, what are the key things I have to focus on, and can you break down my vision board into a list of categories and prioritize the things I have to focus on. So with that, GPT actually gave me a list of things that he categorized. It will be on 4 things, that is health and wellness, content and personal branding, travel preparation, financial planning. I was like so excited about this because GPT just has an eye of understanding who you are, and I love it about AI. Now step 2, what you're going to do is that you're going to brain dump. Now for example, every time we make a vision board, we think about a broader picture. We don't think about certain things that we need to daily incorporate in your life. For example, I haven't put a picture of having a consistent sleeping routine or how I want to start having a proper skincare routine, a hair care routine. So those are the things you are going to brain dump with your goals that are written here, as well as write down certain things. You can also give things like health and wellness is my number 1 priority. Everything else is secondary. You're going to be very crystal clear with GPT about what you want. For example, I can tell you one of my priorities I gave is like hitting 200k on YouTube, and I also mentioned that I want to take up steps like at least posting 2 videos a week, one being mandatory and the second one being like as soon as possible. I also wrote down things like I want to have brand deals with bigger brands like LV, Dior, Cartier, and I've given up more things about what I want to do and what I want to achieve, inshallah. And I've also taken time to think about these things and write it down properly, because with all of this, the next step what you're going to do is that you will add, with all the context you have, tell me by the end of 2025 how can I achieve all of my goals depending on the things I have written and the picture I have uploaded. So ChatGPT is so smart, you guys, that he will give you a 2025 strategy plan. And I love it how he makes you very clear with, okay, I know your priorities and I know your vision board, so let me help you achieve your goal. And I love it. He gave me a list of goals as well as strategies that I can apply, and he's taken down all of my 6 categories and done it beautifully for everything. He's also been very specific like YouTube growth, and now with all these things he has given me an actionable plan timeline of what I can do, and that's the beauty of ChatGPT. Now with this big strategy, I wanted to go another step ahead. So I asked Mr. GPT, give me a roadmap and 3 kind of achievable goals that I can incorporate in my life. And ChatGPT was beautiful enough. He set the goals into monthly wise, whereas he was like January to March you will be doing this, April to June you will be doing this, June to December you will be doing this. And the best thing he has done is that he's broken down all the categories over here Now coming on business and finance, he also he went down to quarterly goals, and he's given me goals like he's also created a table, whereas he's given me a bird's eye view of these are your quarterly months and these are going to be your focus areas, and these are the topics you're going to focus on to achieve this person you want to be in 2025. Beautiful. Now coming with all these things, I wanted to go another step ahead. So the next step I have done, consolidate this list and give me one perfect actionable plan and make it to something called SMART goals. If you guys don't know what SMART goals are, SMART goals is something that is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and timed. So what I thought was, I went a little step ahead and I want a core actionable plan that you have to detail it out for me. Let it be monthly, weekly as well as daily, because I really want to achieve the kind of person I have depicted in my brain in 2025. And make sure that you are specifically telling that, for example, I told that Monday and Friday, probably being these are my work days, I will focus on being a better person and trying to optimize these things so I can achieve these things, and Saturday, Sunday I can slack off. And now with this, I went another step ahead because there are certain things or my non-negotiables that I do. Said with my current routine, these are the things. Try to incorporate and get a well-balanced routine. For example, I only work out on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Fridays. I wanted to write down those things. I have most of my evenings I like spending with my parents, whereas my child times are very important. I do love spending time with them. I'm a kind of a person who loves to balance business as well as personal time. So I like being free after 6 p.m. and not doing anything at all. So there were certain things that I had to specify to ChatGPT. He broke it down into a morning to night routine. You can also be very specific about your breakfast time, your snack time, your lunch time, your evening chai time and your dinner time, and he will write a whole plan for you. And I'm so happy that I did this, and ChatGPT went to another step to give me a bird's eye view on making a table. What I really like about ChatGPT is that if he knows that you are a person who uses Notion or Google Calendar, he's ready to go another step ahead and put it on your Notion board as well as Google Calendar. I love ChatGPT and I've taken up these things to make the best use out of AI. Achieve the kind of person I have depicted I want to be, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like these videos, like, share, subscribe, and if you guys want certain kind of videos, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.